Honorable Speaker, sir. Yes, the process has already been initiated for upgradation of high schools into higher secondary, but that we want to do in a very planned way. And present target is 1,000 schools throughout the states. We have already upgraded 215 schools, and we are now preparing the list of 785 schools. And while preparing this 785 school list, we are looking at the aspect that the schools are equally rationally distributed throughout the states where the students require such an upgradation. Secondly, as per NEP implementation policy, we need to introduce open science as well as commerce. And so far Assam is concerned, our enrollment in science and commerce is very low. Only 14% students, they opt for science education. And this number needs to be increased. And for that also, we need to start new courses, but we'll have to see if there is a nearby school where that science education is available. So I request the honorable members to make a study of their own. The department is doing, we are doing the study. We are locating, even we are taking the help of Assam Space Center also for GIS location of the schools. There shouldn't be two nearby schools getting science so that students are not available. The rational distribution of the schools, upgraded schools, that we are studying, and definitely we are considering introduction of science and commerce in every school. Thank you.
Thank you. Question number 43, Sri Abdul Aziz.
Sir, my Jamuna